Hello guys, so today's inspirational quote is about life. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it.
No, wait. Your math's wrong.
How?
Now do that way around.
What?
Life, now be the 90%. 10% now how you react.
No. Life is 10% what happens to you and your reaction is 90%. So you must...
You does the talk. Your maths they favor you. So now I be NYSC student now for this country. I just come out for this. Okay, now me be life now. I not see work, I don't know anybody. My girlfriend don't run leave me because Yahoo boys don't make them. As I did my own now, so where they sell my small indomie, they don't drive me come up because I not feel pay. All this will not be life. Okay, my small house now, no lights. I want to go house. I enter one chance, they rob me. All this will not be life. The 10% now the tears. Now the tears now. No, they confuse life.
No. What did they tell you? Say life now be 10%.
No, now the suffer be 90.
No, they argue with me.
I did no.
Oh.